If you're considering the Alienware 18 Area-51 gaming laptop, you're in for a powerhouse experience that pushes the boundaries of what a gaming laptop can actually do. Let's dive into what makes this beast tick. At the heart of this machine lies the Intel Ultra 9 275HX processor, a cutting-edge chip with 24 cores and 24 threads capable of reaching speeds up to 5.4 GHz. This CPU isn't just powerful, it's also incredibly efficient thanks to the advancements in Intel's newer architecture. It even includes a built-in neural processing unit for AI tasks, though let's be real, the dedicated GPU here will steal the show when it comes to heavy lifting AI workloads. And speaking of that GPU, the Alienware 18 Area-51 comes loaded with a monstrous NVIDIA RTX 5080, packing 16 GB of next-gen GDDR7 VRAM. This setup demolishes modern AAA games, delivering smooth, ray-traced visuals even at 4K. Sure, laptop GPUs are typically a notch below their desktop counterparts, but even with a 15 to 30% performance difference, the laptop RTX 5080 is more than capable of handling anything you throw its way. The display is another standout feature. With an 18-inch panel boasting a 2560 by 1600 resolution and a 16:10 aspect ratio, visuals are crisp, immersive, and buttery smooth. Thanks to 100% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage and a blistering 300 Hz refresh rate, whether you're gaming or creating content, this screen delivers on all fronts. Brightness maxes out at 500 nits, making it perfect for both dim gaming rooms and well-lit studios. Now let's talk performance. In Cyberpunk 2077 at 1440p, maxed out settings with full ray tracing and DLSS on quality, the game runs at a rock-solid 60+ FPS. Red Dead Redemption 2 also looks stunning on this rig, clocking in at 60 to 70 FPS at ultra settings without DLSS. And when it comes to competitive titles like Counter-Strike 2, the Alienware 18 blasts past 250 FPS on ultra settings at 1440p, taking full advantage of that 300 Hz refresh rate. Cooling is just as robust as the performance. With 4 fans and Dell's Element 31 thermal paste in play, the system stays cool under intense loads. The thermal solution is no joke. Expect consistent performance without thermal throttling, even during marathon gaming sessions. Design-wise, the laptop is large and sturdy, as you'd expect from an 18-inch chassis. Most of the ports are conveniently located at the back, including an Ethernet port, 3 USB Type-A ports, 2 Thunderbolt 5 ports, and an HDMI port. On the left side, you'll find an SD card slot and a 3.5mm audio jack, perfect for creators and gamers alike. Upgradability is another major win. This machine comes preloaded with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and 1TB of blazing fast storage, but it also offers 3 NVMe SSD slots supporting Gen 5 drives and 2 RAM slots for expansion. If you're planning to upgrade, start with storage. You're unlikely to need more RAM unless you're running dozens of apps simultaneously. If you're ready to take your gaming to the next level, check out the links in the description box below, or simply just scan these QR codes to check them out on Amazon right now. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!